Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Duolingo and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.